Hello, and welcome to Shortcut Up CNC. Today we're going to talk about the molding toolpath and what is needed to get the molding toolpath to work for you. You need a rail vector and you need a profile vector. The rail vector is what the bit follows to create the contour, the profile. You select the rail vector first. Hold down your shift key on your keyboard and then select the profile vector. And you notice there was some changes it made. You over here, it's showing you it's cutting a 1/2 inch deep, which is correct because this is a quadrant of a 1 inch circle, which cuts a 1/2 inch deep. We got plenty of material, so we don't have to worry about it. In fact, it's showing you got a 1/4 inch left underneath. Now you can switch that to the top if you wanted to and it's going to cut all that first before it gets into the actual cutting of the profile. And of course, that's not going to look all that great. So we're going to leave it that way. And there's important features here. The arrow direction on your profile vector is rather important. To give you an example, in this particular case, the start node is at the top and it's going to work itself down, which is great. But if you happen to be in this situation, what's going to happen is it's going to dig down into the material to the bottom here of that contour, and then it's going to start there and work around the part to create this contour all the way up. So you really don't want to put that pressure on the bit. So you right click on the vector, reverse the direction of the start node, and it will start from the top and work its way down from here to there. And we can calculate this out, and you'll see that happen. It starts at the top and works its way down. And of course, if I change the bit to a smaller bit, it'll take a little longer. But I think with the step over and everything, you can actually change the step over on this 1/4 inch bit ball nose, and it would help too. But I'm just going to go ahead and change this to my smaller ball nose. It's already got the step over, and I'm going to vary that step over, calculate, and you notice a whole lot more lines created. That means it's going to take a little longer to do this, but we'll reset the profile and we will preview it, and you see it's taking its time, but it's going to have a nice smooth edge. Works its way down to that 1/2 inch mark, and then it'll stop. And we're a little over halfway there. So it's creating a beautiful smooth edge. And of course, at the CNC machine, you're going to see this too, real slow like this. I think the step over is very minimal and it creates a nice smooth edge. Okay, there it is. It cut it halfway down, and there's the 1/4 inch of material that's left. So that's how you use the molding toolpath. You set up and you notice this line here, it works outward. That's the direction that it's going to create the contour that you're asking it to do. There is a way to convert this to the inside. I'm not going to get into that right now because we're looking at just the simple creation of the molding toolpath. I just wanted to point out that it can be converted to the inside. It will not reverse the direction doing that right there, right clicking on it. All it did was change the direction of the travel from right to left or left to right. See, if I reverse it, the arrows change to the other direction. So, thank you for watching Shark Cut Up CNC, and good luck with your molding toolpath.